Resting on the hill like 3 km west of Kathmandu, Swayumbhu is one of the holiest Buddhist stupas in Nepal. The base of the hill is almost entirely surrounded by prayer wheels and deities. There is a legend behind why Swayumbhunath in Kathmandu is called the Monkey Temple. It's all to do with a group of monkeys that have lived in the northwest part of the Swayumbhunath temple complex for generations. I think Swayumbhunath is one of the most significant and as the legendary birthplace of the Kathmandu Valley. Down the streets, we can find lots of street foods, and most of the street foods are spicy and salty. Different local Nepalese street foods are found which can be unique taste to the international tourist.